is it possible that Bitcoin is here gearing up for a major breakout out of this bigger falling wedge here on the weekly chart? So that is something that we should definitely talk about today. So, and there are also some other things lining up that are pointing to that Bitcoin might be coiling up here for the next major move. So, and we definitely gonna will cover all of this today. So, and if you think that is interesting, then definitely subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell. And now let's get directly into it. So here on the weekly chart, for quite a while already, this bigger falling wedge where Bitcoin is here really nicely bouncing up and down between support and resistance in that falling wedge pattern. So, and we see now that the price action actually bounced also off this middle purple dotted line here. So, and that is normally a good sign when this is happening, especially when also the price is moving then in direction of the resistance, what we can observe here right now since we bounced off here, that we go sideways. So, and once we are getting here, which is like in 11 days, where, or let's say next week already, potentially next week's candle could be a potential breakout moment for the Bitcoin price out of this falling wedge. So, and the target of this falling wedge would be around the all-time high. Do I believe that we go there immediately in one straight shot upwards, something like this? No, really unlikely that we see this going to happen. So, but in a sideways gradual move to the upside, yes, definitely possible. It will just take a couple of months to get there, but it is definitely possible. When we're looking then here now on the lower time frames, on the 1 hourly chart, so then we can also see here really interestingly that Bitcoin is forming something like a cup and handle pattern here right now. So yeah, my drawing skills are stunning here once again. So here, a cup and handle pattern. So let me actually draw here properly lines in it. So here you have the handle, more or less something like this. So, and then you normally go from the bottom of the cup all the way to, you know, more or less, I would go like here until there. So, and then you put this to the potential breakout point. So, and then you see we get a target of $19,750 if this handle would break here to the upside. So for now we are trading here in this downwards trending channel, so which is nothing bad. We can also have a quick look on the volume if there's volume declining. No, there was actually a lot of volume coming in the previous candle. So yeah, we have to see what's going to happen there. So, but yeah, so this could be a potential cup and handle pattern that we could be trading if we break it to the upside. So, and I would definitely trade this then here on BYBIT. There you still get $4,450 in free bonuses with only my specific link. And use that link, deposit some money so that you can claim the bonus. Or on BitGet, $8,000 in free bonuses with 15% discount on the fees also. Only with that specific link, guys. Let's make some money together. In my free Telegram group, we made yesterday a nice trade that I posted. A lot of people made 40-50% on that trade, and they were also on BYBIT or on BitGet, so definitely check this also out and let's make some money together. I will maybe post later again a trade if I see something interesting, so that we can trade it together. So back here to the 1 hourly chart. So the only problem that I have with this is if we break here to the upside in this cup and handle pattern, that we would immediately run here into this bigger resistance. And we see that also on the VPVR, we have now big resistance here from 19,700 or let's say 800 all the way up to 19,923 on the 1 hourly time frame. So, and only if we break here over the $20,400 level, then we gain some momentum to break here into higher levels, because we have to break here this whole cluster. This whole cluster here needs to be broken so that Bitcoin can actually make a substantial move to the upside. So the question is obviously, how likely is this to happen in the immediate short term. I believe it's not so likely to happen unless we are breaking here over $19,800 and can actually stay and find support above that range. Yeah, otherwise we could be still in for more sideways chop here in the lower $19,000 levels or even $18,000 levels. So, and that brings me also here to the next chart that you have seen already before here on the daily chart. So here with this right angle broadening wedge, I just want to point this out again. The target is really low. So you see here from a breakout point, it brings us all the way down to $13,400 more or less from the breakout point. So, but still, I don't believe that we go that low. It would be really bad. The same what I said yesterday. If we break here actually that low here, we have now created a higher low. So, and I want to see that the price action comes back in here and starts moving back to the upside so that we can confirm that this was now the higher low and that we on the daily chart then go up like this, because then we could also say that that is a double bottom. So that's it for today's, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen. Was that already the low that that we got here, the higher low that we were waiting for, or will we actually drop lower here in the immediate short term? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Other than that, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and see you again in the next one.